Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and tell us down below in the comments what you guys want to see next. On today's video, we are gonna do something that I've been wanting to do for so very long, and this guy right here made it all happen for me. I'm so excited. Why don't we get started? Hey guys, so this is a concept that Thomas has been wanting me to do for a while. What we're doing is a DIY bulletin board. We have a piece of 4x8 Luan, and then we have a piece of 4x8. This is kind of like a insulation board. It's really lightweight. This is really lightweight. What we're gonna do is take this piece, which we already had it in the basement, it was just taking up space. I'm getting the nails out of it now. We're gonna glue it and tack it onto this so that this is not as flimsy, not as flexible. And then we're going to upholster it with a drop cloth. And then we can put different things, which we're gonna surprise you guys with here in a little bit, but I'm gonna get started. Thomas, if you would go ahead and start putting glue spots on this, that would be great. We're gonna be nailing this to this. So really the glue is not a necessity. We had leftover glue and I thought might as well use it. Make sure you get this corner. There's that. So the nails are out of the Luan plywood. We have the glue down. We're gonna lay this down and then tack it onto the foam board. So let's try this. This side? Yeah. And just line it up. Cool. Alright, so we have it glued down. I'm just tacking a few nails in it, mainly because they were left over from pulling them out, but it will also help keep it secure while the glue is drying. And they just happen to be the right size to not go through. Perfect! Glued together, it's nailed together. I mopped the back of it because it was dirty, so now it's clean. Now what we're gonna do is use the drop cloth and a stapler, and we're going to staple it to this. The staples will be on the back side, so you won't actually see the staples, and then it will give us a clean, pretty, kind of canvas look to it. But I'm gonna need your help, Thomas, so let's do it. We've been stapling the drop cloth. We're hoping that it's going to be long enough on the other side. There's a chance it's going to be too short. We shall see. All right, and just like that, it is finished. It's not much to look at on camera. It just kind of looks like a big blank gray thing. But up close, you can see the canvas, you can see the material. We wanted just a really blank material so that everything that goes on it stands out. Lastly, we need a way to hang this. So we had these little, I don't know what they're called, in the hooks. We had these in the basement off of an old mirror. So I'm just putting 2 of these on here with screws. And this will be perfect to hang it with. Why are these things sitting on it? We're weighting the glue down so that it glues. Extra support, really. Yep. So I'm just marking where these are going. And we'll be ready to hang this motherfucker. Alright, let's try it. It is hung. So now we're just going to fill it up with everything that you guys have sent us over the years. Yes, I'm so excited. I've been wanting to do this for 20 years. A very long time, so let's get going. So the bulletin board wall, filled with all of the letters and pictures and postcards that you guys have sent us over the years, came out exactly how I had envisioned it the entire time. I love that it kind of gives the office a cozy, cluttered feeling, and it really brings everything together. We included the things that you sent us, like postcards, Christmas cards. You've sent us pictures of yourselves and of your travels over the years, and they all look so beautifully displayed on the wall. We cannot thank you guys enough. And this is just such a fun way to showcase what you guys mean to us and how much you mean to us. And we cannot thank you enough for just sharing a little bit of your lives with us. It's kind of beautiful that we get to meet so many of you from all over the world, and you're right here with us in our office. One of the fun things about it was the fact that some of the letters we haven't seen in maybe like a year and a half or 2 years. So getting those back out and reading those sweet messages from you guys was such a fun experience to kind of relive that moment. Thank you guys so much for, joining us on Instagram and YouTube. And we can't wait for the future. You guys know where to find us. We're PJ and Thomas on Instagram. You can find us on Twitter as PJ and Thomas as well, on Facebook as The Property Lovers, and you can check out our website, pjandthomas.com, to read our blogs and shop our apparel. Until next time, bye y'all.